to RoHack YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about domain enumeration. For those who are watching for the first time, this is RoHacks. I'm a cybersecurity specialist and I do pen testing. Usually when we are doing pen testing or people who are into cybersecurity, there's a lot of emphasis on enumeration. And enumerating a domain is a very important part. For those who are familiar with Kali Linux, there are many tools, but sometimes it gets difficult to use different tools for different stuff. For example, we do have a lot of tools like Sublister for subdomain enumeration, but you don't get to see which domain is actually still alive or not. So to save the time, I always wanted to create a tool of my own which actually helps me to not only enumerate the domain, also find the live domains and also a little bit extra information that I'm going to show you now. So without talking any further, let's get started. Now here I have my tool. It's my custom tool. Let's run it. It's based on Python. So let's add a very simple domain. I want you to see how much information this tool can provide. So let's write a test domain rowrite.online and hit enter. So if you can see, it's giving you the MX record, A record, name server details, TXT details, SOA. All of this you can see in one window. Now here you can see it's checking any previous domain record based on the SSL at cert.sh. Okay, we found one subdomain. All right, that's nice. The script is still going through different places to look for the subdomain. Okay, there you go. We have found one subdomain, that is www. Okay, and what I love about it, about this tool, is in phase one it just narrowed down all the list of the domains which were ever created. Then in the phase two it actually further cut down all the domains which are dead and only list me down which are still active domains. Once phase 2 is done, then it goes for analyzing the active domains, what exactly they are running, which ports this particular domain is running. So here you can see SSH is running, HTTP is running, HTTPS is running, and along with that it also does give you the information about what exactly the web server and the version is running. So here's the summary. Now this was a very simple domain. Let's go for a little bigger domain. Okay, so let's run the script again. This time we're gonna go for some other domain. Again, this is strictly for whatever I'm doing is strictly for educational purpose. I do not recommend to do this to give harm to anyone. So be very responsible when you're playing around with such tools. Okay, that's another domain. It's fetching the DNS. We have the DNS details. Now it's going to cert.sh and looking for any domains ever created based on the SSL certificates. It's gonna take a little while, so let's wait. Okay, it's done. We found 2 subdomains at hacker target. Now it's checking at Alient Vault. Let's wait for the results. We should be able to see some more domains. Okay, there you go. Now these are the domains total: autoconfig, FTP, IMAP, mail, pop, SMTP, www. Then out of these 7, all of them are actually live. All right, there you go. So okay. So autoconfig is running all of these ports. Then comes the IMAP. IMAP is running the standard IMAP port. Then SMTP is technically they are running on the same machine, so it doesn't really matter. It's, if you can see, the IP remains the same. It seems like some kind of an online hosting. So there you go. It gives you pretty good information, and what I love about this tool is it gives you a quick summary. Like here you can see it gets very easy to see which subdomain is running on which IP. And I just did notice this autoconfig is running on some other IP, so probably it's some kind of an application, maybe some kind of tool that pushes the update. I'm not sure though, and this is not the scope. We are just here to check how this tool actually work. So rest of the IPs remain on the same, and since it's the same machine, so the ports remain the same. So this actually helps a lot in my work. I get a lot of information without going here and there trying different tools. So this is pretty much for now. If you like this video, please do comment, share the video, and try to subscribe. This really helped me encourage make more video. And if anyone needs this tool, comment below and I'll try to upload it somewhere so that you guys can also enjoy this beautiful script. Have a good day.